This is the UTA College of Engineering, and this week we're going big.
Hey, I'm Ariba, and this is Sumirth, and we're part of ESC, the Engineering Student Council.
Basically, we're the group that makes sure that engineering does not feel like a solo mission.
We work with the college, student orgs, and departments to help you get involved.
And actually, enjoy the ride.
And we host Engineering Week.
And this year's theme is Transform Your Future.
Not a slogan, a challenge.
A lot of people think engineering is hard classes and late nights.
Yeah, that part's real.
But there's another side that nobody really talks about. It's when you use your skills on a real project and realize, wait, I can actually do this.
And if you've been looking for a sign, this is it.
This is in a design. Teams make real projects. They build it, they break it, and they fix it again.
People talk about their projects like they're already in the industry.
That's the point. If you're early in the career, this is where you can end up. If you're graduating, it's game time.
So what actually happens during U week?
Events, competitions, workshops.
Yeah, food too. We're not pretending that doesn't matter.
You don't have to be deeply involved into engineering.
Just pull up between classes, maybe bring a friend, or stay for one thing.
Pick an event and commit to it. That's how it starts.
Sweetheart is bleeding in the snow cone. So smart, she's leading me to ozone. Music, the great communicator. Used two sticks to make it in the nature. I'll get you into penetration. The gender of a generation. The birth of every other nation.
The goal is to be joined 10 clubs.
The goal is to find one place where you show up and start doing.
UTA Engineering has a lot to offer. It only works if you step into it. Everybody you see around you started exactly where you are. So, come to the EV, meet people, see the labs, see how it all works. And let's transform your future starting this week.